We are showing you this house and lot for sale located here inside the secured subdivision in the city of San Fernando, Pampanga. This is near SM and NLEX. Let's check it out. Hi, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, and welcome to another Howie TV house tour. Let's go.
This property has a lot area of 368 square meters, floor area of 300 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, staff room, living, dining and kitchen, garden, gazebo, balcony, swimming pool, 2 jacuzzi with CCTV, and it's furnished. Priced at 26 million pesos. Contact us for viewing.
Hello guys, let's talk about the location first. This is inside the secured subdivision here in San Fernando, Pampanga. The village is just behind SM Pampanga, so it's very convenient for you. If you need anything, nandyan lang yung SM. So first, let's start with the front of the house. Guys, judging from the fence pa lang, it's very modern and with a different touch of materials na ginamit. So we have this concrete side, we have the tiled side, and we have the stone accents on this side. Tapos kung mapapansin nyo, if you can notice, we have additional security like the electric fence over here, plus the security cameras are already installed. So it's gonna be additional security and peace of mind for you. Plus, of course, we have this additional greenery na ilalagay natin dyan. So guys, the house is about 95% finished. So excuse na lang natin yung mga materials like this one, i-install pa ito. Kaya swerte natin because we are one of the first to shoot this property. So we have the pedestrian gate right here. This is metal with wood panels plus the 2-car carport over here. Ang ganda nito. Also, if you notice, this house, even on the outside, we have the abundance of strip lights or accent lights around the property. So at night, you can really appreciate the beauty of this house. So from the street level, we step up. This is your walkway going to the front door. On my left, hi ate. On my left, we have the 2-car carport right here. Excuse natin yung mga materials. And guys, come here. We have this extra space for you to have your barbecue, or if you have pets, matutuwa sila dito because you have this amazing space right here. This side is the back of the house. Later, we'll go there. Service area. And kung mapapansin nyo guys, the setback is really wide. So, talagang accessible siya from all sides yung house. And may barbecue na tayo dito. Okay? Now, 2-car carport. May ceiling fan dito. If you want to set up a table here, kung may party kayo, pwede dito. Well-lighted. Security cameras, nandyan siya. Now, let's go here. Ito yung highlight ng house. So, you have your large swimming pool. Meron tayong kiddie pool dito na jacuzzi rin. Then, we have this long swimming pool for you to enjoy. Especially this time of year na talagang mainit. Very inviting. We have greenery around. At kung naririnig nyo, we have a water feature right there. Okay? So, sa side naman na to, we have this outdoor shower. So, for the pool users, this is accessible before you jump in, di ba? Take a shower and after, para ma-wash natin yung chlorine. And on this side, dito naman yung pump room, yung ating tank, nandyan sa lahat. Okay? Very nice layout. One more look sa ating beautiful swimming pool. It's really inviting, no? Tapos in front of the fountain, we have this seating area dito where you can relax with your family and friends, di ba? Para pag may mga occasion kayo or just on a daily basis, meron kayong pagre-relaxan dito. Okay? And kung napapansin nyo guys, we have strip lights running through the length of the house up to there. Paikot yan. Plus this wall detail na meron tayo right here. Okay? So now, shall we enter? Hello po. Okay, sa front ng house, we have a big wooden door. Of course, solid dito guys. We have this electronic lock that can be accessed through your fingerprint, your passcode, or your face recognition. So let's enter. So as we enter, we will be greeted by this grand wall accent over there. May mixture siya ng parang marble travertine style with light strips and accent lights. Very nice. It enhances the height of this double height or maybe 2.5 height ceiling kasi more than double height siya. So dito is your living area. You have this L-shaped couch right here. Curtains all around, which can be, by the way, opened to let in more natural light. You have this modern switches right here. Then, this setup for your television. Very nice. Air conditioning are installed. We have this video okay for your entertainment. And tons of storage underneath. We also have this one na pag hinila natin, it's your powder room. Come in, check it out. Very nice, no? So, okay. Very presentable powder room for your guests. We have this countertop with your sink and your automated toilet with natural light and ventilation. Okay? Now, ang galing, no? Hindi ko rin napansin to kanina, guys, no? And this big window right here, tingnan nyo guys yung view. View of the green and the blue of the sky. Very nice. Tapos nandito yung ating extra lot. Okay, now, let's walk through here. Ito hindi naman to secret door. Kasi pagkakamalan ko ng secret door lahat, no? So when we walk through here, you will have your dining area, which has your 10-seater dining table. Plus, what's amazing about this, guys, is above this is your ribbon-like chandelier or light fixture with the border. I would call it border light. Na napakaganda. Para kang may secret partition dito kasi naka-border siya. Now, the kitchen. Okay, the kitchen, ang ganda kasi we have this countertop right here. You have your bar stools over there. Cutlery drawers here. Soft closing. Then we have this sink na push button. This is the new one. Push button siya. Wala pa lang sigurong connection. Ayun, meron na. Oh, nice. Oh, on. Ayan. Oh. Ang ganda kasi meron kang parang sprinkler type and meron ka nito which can be also convenient if you want to clean some other things. Very nice. Push button. And you had the one like sa Starbucks na lalagay mo dito yung baso then maglilinis siya. Dinemo ko, nabasa na ako. Cupboards. You have your range hood. Dito yung stove natin. More storage underneath. 2-door refrigerator. Open shelves. More space for your microwave and your oven over here. Now, oh, by the way, ang ganda rin ito, oh. Let me just turn it on for you para mas ma-appreciate natin. Nice. Oh, lighted pa yung ating bar and this area right here. Ang dami, no? Even the door here is, meron siyang strip light. I can imagine pag gabi, sobrang ganda. Okay? This door is storage room. So, locked siya at the moment. Tapos this door leads us out to the service area that has your daily kitchen. You have your outlets over here. Ang ganda ng backsplash. Sink right here. Your laundry will be placed over here kasi nandito yung ating water and yung ating drain. Sobrang wide ng space. Then we have our staff room over here. Let's check it kung open siya. Ito yung toilet and bath, sink, ito slim type sink, toilet and shower, plus we have our staff room right here. It's ample space for your staff. Okay? Guys, yung ating electronic fence or yung electric fence natin are goes around, so secured yung buong perimeter natin. Okay? So let's go back in. One more look sa ating beautiful kitchen. May ceiling fan pa for ventilation. Then, dining area. So this door is a bedroom. Dito sa ground floor. So when we enter, we have tons of space. Off-center lang yung bed, pero ito yung bed natin. We have outlets on both sides. May pendant light tayo dyan. Air conditioning are installed. We have a chandelier. We have this border strip light. Plus, this door, I think, is the best because it has direct access to your swimming pool. Imagine staying in this room, di ba? When you wake up in the morning, buksan mo lang yung pinto, then you jump. Okay, very nice, no? Plus, guys, another, lagi kong hina-highlight, if the sliding doors have their screen. So, meron screen yung mga door natin. Okay? Wood accent with strip lights also. When we enter here, we have a space for your walk-in. And, this room is the best. We have this skylight that is directly, this bathtub that is directly under a skylight. Imagine, sobrang cool, guys. And we have this window, shower area right here. Push button din yung ating rainfall shower head. We have this toilet and of course, your sink. Nice. Tingnan mo ulit. Dali, ang ganda. Imagine nag-chill ka dito. Hindi ako makamove on. Tapos, you can see the sky up above. Napakaganda. Okay. Now, let's now go to the second floor. And also, guys, our dining area is also direct siya access sa ating lanay and our pool. So, if you have guests, they can be overflow sa labas. Kung medyo marami-rami kayong guests, that's ideal para overflow yung guests sa labas. They have ample space to chill. Now, the staircase is wooden with light strips on every step. So it's gonna be safe for you to go up and down at night. Wood handle with glass support. Come here. Mid-landing, large window with this view of the pool and the sky. Then, we head up. Upon landing, we have these open shelves that can be used if you have your collection or your awards. Pwedeng i-display dito. May lights na rin siya for more drama. Then, this is your family area. May console tayo dito and storage. If you want to have your television here or seating area right here, pwede siya. Then, we have this balcony space that goes from here to there. Ang haba ng balcony space natin, guys. And ang gusto ko dito kasi, guys, multiple yung number of drain niya, oh. So, when it rains, hindi magpupool yung tubig dito sa inyong balcony. Okay? Also, let me mention also this stone detail sa ating walls na napakaganda. Plus yung light strips nga accent natin, which looks better at night. Then check natin yung pool from this angle. Very refreshing, very inviting. Okay? Let's go back in. Now, we have 4 doors. Okay, so let's start with this one. This door is set up like so, parang bunk bed siya. So we have this bunk bed na twin size, wood detailing on the walls with access to the back balcony. Ito guys, mahangin dito. Presko. And if you can hear the birds chirping, napakaganda. Tapos guys, tingnan nyo ha, may view dito nung inyong extra space dito sa baba. Alam nyo ako, nakikita ko na ito, if you have more than 2 cars, pwede ka pa extend yung driveway, di ba? Or playground ng mga bata. Or sabi ko nga, if you have pets, magugustuhan nila yan. Okay? Let's go in. Going back to your family area. Interesting design din yung chandeliers natin. So dito parang medyo floral-floral siya. Tapos sa main living area natin, we have this parang circular design, multiple circles, di ba? And even the staircase, may chandelier guys, hindi tinipid. Di ba? Nice. Okay? Try ko lang to. Mahal ng kuryente. Okay. Then, this door is a bathroom. So we have the sink, toilet, and your enclosed shower, partially with heater. Ayan. So this will be shared by some of the rooms up here. Tas may window tayo for ventilation. May blinds lang. So let's turn it off. Ang ganda kasi lighted din yung mirror niya. Now this door, wow, ito maganda rin because it's set up as parang dual bed siya na twin bed. So, pag may mga guests kayo or may mga kakapatid, pwede share sila dito. May air conditioning. Tapos guys, napansin ko pa, with the setup ng mga room, pwede siyang gawing villa. If you want to have a villa business, Airbnb, perfect siya for that. Okay, now this room is the master. So come on in. Large bed. This is king sized. Okay, we have outlets on both sides. Very nice light fixture. Ang ganda ng headboard natin. We have a console here. Very nice accent lights over there. Air conditioning is Daikin, by the way. Lagi kong minimension si Daikin, one of the best brands ng air conditioning. We have this space for your walk-in. Yan, pwede nyo lang itong lagyan ng mga racks and shelves and drawers for your clothes. Wow. This is even, parang favorite ko yung sa baba, pero parang na-top niya na. Kasi meron tayo ditong whirlpool na jacuzzi na may skylight din, guys. Okay? Halata bang hindi ko inaral yung bahay? Kasi nasusurprise ako. We have a window right here. Pwede mo tong itaas if you want more light. Then you have your shower area right here. Push button with, of course, rainfall shower head. You have your toilet and your sink right here with this very nice circular mirror. Wow! Ang ganda kasi yung skylight. Okay, now let's do the recap.
This property has a lot area of 368 square meters, floor area of 300 square meters, 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, staff room, living, dining and kitchen, garden, gazebo, balcony, swimming pool, 2 jacuzzi with CCTV, and it's furnished. Priced at 26 million pesos. Contact us for viewing.
Thank you so much for watching. We appreciate every like, share, and subscribe. Once again, my name is Howie, your trusted real estate agent from Live Realty, together with our director, Ken, We hope to help you find your next property. Until next time, God bless. Bye.